What is up, everyone? I'm Jamie with Three Little Goats Homestead, and you know this guy right here, my husband Jesse, and today we are headed over to his parents' house to work on a project. So we are going to be putting together a greenhouse. So it's not like our high tunnels that we've put together in the past. It's a polycarbonate greenhouse, so it should be interesting putting it together. And of course, this morning Polly was showing signs of labor, so we'll be keeping an eye on her on the camera. Thankfully, we're just right down the road. So let's get on the road so we can try to get this thing done today. Right, so this greenhouse is only a 6-foot by 7-foot greenhouse, so it's pretty small. And then this is all of the tubing, and all of the sheets for the walls and stuff are still in the garage, so doesn't look too bad, hopefully.
So 8/13.
The teens are all over here. This is just the lower one for the walls, for the floor.
All right. A4s. When I was a kid, Carl and I would take this thing like Wolverine style. Were you gonna say anything? All right, so if you come across any pieces that haven't been punched through all the way, they're not too bad. You can do it with I'd probably do it with a screwdriver and a hammer. Just find a nice sturdy spot and just push it right out. It comes out nice and clean. No big deal.
Alright, yeah.
Push it over there.
Put it all in there.
Oh yeah. Adjust fire. Are the that lip supposed to be on the outside?
It doesn't say. Photography is not my strong suit. Alright. That way? That looks right.
Yeah.
I was so happy.
I'm going to do that next.
Photography is not my fun.
Hey, go poop. Go on, go poop somewhere. You came in here and you started walking.
It smells like one of them pooped. I can smell the poop. Did you poop?
Go on, go poop.
I don't know where this one goes. I think we only need the one H3. Is this an H3?
Yep. Put it back in the
Two H1.
H3. That's for the back. Yeah. Did these go together at all?
They connect into the thing somehow. So.
All right, so it's a new day, and we're back at my parents' place working on the little greenhouse. And my dad's gotten a lot done while we were back because we had to go milk cows and stuff. So I'll go ahead and show you what we're up to. It's pretty neat. I'm like really impressed. All right, so there it is. That's where she sits, and it's not complete. We still have some pieces that got to put back on it. But my dad built up this blocking system to get this going, because we get some pretty high winds up in here, so it's pretty important to brace yourself down. Wish I would have thought of that with our loafing bar that took off from one paddock to another last week. So let's go ahead and get this going. I'm gonna get some water and see if we can finish this up today. Ready for the inside bracing. My dad's decided to go with some pretty long bolts that'll attach to the frame of the place, so I think it'll work. Good morning, everybody. It is now day 3 of this project. Got a little bit to do, so let's stop talking. Let's get on Fridays. All right, you ready?
Yeah. Hold on, that's the bottom.
You want it flat on the bottom? Okay.
Yeah, because that way she'll have traction if it gets wet in here.
Well, now we're just trying to get it in the filter. It's a little awkward.
Yeah.
Alrighty, so we're actually done. Now my mom go ahead and put this thing together inside. My dad can figure out all the dirt works. So I'll give you a quick tour of what we did. Outside, open thing, brackets, inside to help keep the weeds out. They decided to use stall mats, which I'm really digging. And that's it. Now I'm sure it could have taken a day to build it, but we gotta like milk cows and stuff like that, so we got plenty of things to do. We just fit it in when we can get in, and I'll go ahead and let Jamie close this one out.
Alright, so I have no idea where Jesse left off. He just told me to stop by his parents' house on my way back from the orthodontist and close out the video. So I guess that's what we're doing right now. So when I drove by, they were moving stuff in. So let's see what they got done. Alrighty. Oh, it is definitely warm in here. So she's going to have herbs and be able to put her plant starts in here. They got the mats in here as well. So I think it looks pretty darn nifty. Alright, y'all, so I guess I will officially end this video. So if you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We put out videos every single week. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.